Good morning, Dwight. Since we're going through the e-learning procedure for another week and a half, I believe that we should finish strong just before a spring break. So keep your head high and don't let the work let you down. Closure Movie Club. A hangout at 3:30 on Thursday. This week's film is Tororo, available on Netflix. The Google Hangout link is below. Has your mom been making your meals every day during e-learning? Let's face it, she needs a break. Below there is a link to some excellent recipes that you can try. Treat her for a change. Today, the DP Theater students are performing their solo projects. Fingers crossed. Give them a thought and wish them luck on the assessment. Also, let's try out a riddle today. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but come alive with the wind. What am I? Try to wonder about this for a second. The answer might surprise you. Thank you. This was Dwight. Morning announcements. Have a lovely day.